Okay, so you've done this last Quizette. Let's take a look at all these problems. Make sure you know what you're doing. You're ready for that performance Quizette next time. So remember, the main thing, you're doing the box method. Okay, so we got 2x squared, and we've got 6. We take those, multiply them to get 12, factors of 12 that add up to 7. Well, we've got 3 and 4. So I've got 3x and 4x. Well, this 2 and this 4, 4 is really like 2 times 2, and 6 is really like 2 times 3. So I can pull out a positive 2, pull out a positive 3, pull out an x, and pull out a 2x. So we end up with, for number 1, 2x plus 3 times x plus 2. Okay, so that's, remember, that's the steps, what you have to do. You have to take that first term and that third term, multiply them together. So 3 times 1 gives us 3. Factors of 3 that add up to the middle number, negative 4. So it'd be, what, 1 and 3, but both of them negative to add up to negative 4. So then you make your box. 3x squared, 1, negative 1x, negative 3x. So I can pull out an x here, and I also pull out a 3. What I don't pull out is that negative, so think of that as negative 1. So I pull out an x here. I pull out, now to get a negative 1, that positive 1 is like negative 1 times negative 1. So I can pull out a negative 1, pull out a negative 1, and you end up with x minus 1 times 3x minus 1. Okay, so not too bad on those ones. We were dealing with smaller numbers, made it a little easier, didn't it? Okay, now this last problem. 5 times negative 10, so negative 50, factors of negative 50 that add up to 23. Well, 2 and 25, especially if the 2 is negative, would get us there. So then we go 5x squared, negative 10, negative 2x, and 25x. Now let's start to puzzle through. Well, I can't pull a 5 out of there, so we can just pull an x. So I've got a negative 2. I can pull a negative 2 out of negative 10, give me a 5, so I get the minus 2. I can pull a 5 out of 25, and that'd be a positive 5, which leaves me a 5 and an x, 5 and an x. And that's how we do it. It should all come together when you puzzle through those last pieces. Alright, there you guys go. Quizette day 4.